Stop by All-Star Mitsubishi today and visit Corpus Christi's headquarters for the entire 2014 lineup of Mitsubishi Lancers. There's never been a better time to land a phenomenal deal on a sleek new Lancer than right now. If you're looking for a stylish, sharp-handling compact car that stands out from the crowd, the Mitsubishi Lancer is it. Add optional turbochargers, all-wheel drive, and innovative transmissions, and there's a Lancer to suit any driver. Go your own way with a new Mitsubishi Lancer. Whether you're looking for a sporty sedan, a versatile hatchback, or a race-worthy rally car, there's a Lancer for everybody. The new 2014 Lancers deliver fuel efficiency and responsiveness while packing a powerful engine output that ranges from 148 horsepower to the turbocharged 291. At All-Star Mitsubishi, our #1 goal is always to give more money for your trade-in and provide 100% credit approval. Backed by Mitsubishi's phenomenal 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, drive with confidence, knowing your new Mitsubishi will be there for you today, tomorrow, and long into the future. Stop by today and take your very own test drive in the exciting, sleek new Mitsubishi Lancer. There's never been a better time to land a phenomenal deal than right now at All-Star Mitsubishi of Corpus Christi.